Welcome this video. River Rock Area Pole Landscape Design. Design the area above a pole is about much more than just make its look alternate. It's about create a soft, functional, a various place that complement the water functional. Aman, the main material about for pole landscape river rock start out as our style and timeless shoes. F smoking, textile, natural color and durability make it an excellent for enhance the aesthetic and functional of pole landscape. When choose river rock for pole landscape. River rock is a type of smoking stone that complete in various size for pole size problem long stone. Those rock are natural weather by give them a post approve and soft text. Use river rock area for a pole often survey benefit a low main interest unlike give a much river rock do not need water movement for a place durable rock with stand food trend weather soft rock edge and soft underwood comparing to soft glory during river log allow water effect and reed hanging but style available in much shade like and white. Decor can make match define pool and yacht style. Those make Decor one of the most and style landscape material for pool. Design idea use river rock area upon river rock board. One of the simplicity yard most effective way to use river rock is by create board area the pool depth. This provide a native traditional benefit. The play depth and the surrounding landscape fill with river rock keep those away for a pool edge. Read for being turned into the water. River rock with tropical plants. River rock with tropical plants like bring of paradise create a lush reported style look. Place long river rock chairs at the base of those plants as use smart